What is an idrsa key in Linux SSH remote access? Have you ever wondered how secure connections are made between your computer and a remote server? One key component in this process is the idrsa key. Let's break it down. An idrsa key is a private key file used in secure shell remote access. This key is part of a pair, which includes a public key. Together, they allow for secure authentication without the need for passwords. The private key, known as idrsa, is stored in the user's hidden directory called ssh. This directory is located in the home folder of the user. When you want to connect to a remote server, the server needs to know who you are. It does this by using the public key, which is stored on the server in a file called authorizedkeys. The public key is derived from the private key and can be shared safely. Here's how it works. When you try to connect to the server using Secure Shell, the server sends an encrypted challenge. Your computer uses the private key, idrsa, to decrypt this challenge and send back the correct response. If the response is accurate, the server grants you access. This method is much safer than sending passwords over the internet, which can be intercepted. To create an idrsa key pair, you use a tool called ssh-keygen. This utility generates a pair of keys that are secure and ready for use. The private key should always be kept secret and never shared with anyone. The public key, on the other hand, can be copied to any server you want to access. After generating the idrsa key pair, you can transfer the public key to the remote server. This can be done using a command called ssh-copy-id or by manually adding the public key to the authorizedkeys file on the server. Once this setup is complete, you can log into the server without entering a password. This key-based authentication is widely used across various Linux distributions and other operating systems. It is particularly useful for system administrators who manage multiple servers. Automating secure logins saves time and enhances security. In essence, the idrsa key is a vital part of the secure shell protocol in Linux. It allows for encrypted remote access while keeping your login process secure and efficient. So, next time you connect to a server, remember the role that the idrsa key plays in keeping your connection safe.